Today we're going to talk about water heaters. A lot of people don't understand that water heaters still have to be maintained. A water heater has what is called a pressure relief valve, or a TMP valve for short, temperature and pressure relief. This valve releases pressure in the tank, and if it's not working properly, the water heater can explode. So now let's talk about how to test the TMP valve. First, what you're going to want to do is get a bucket and place it under the relief valve. Then you're going to lift the lever on the TMP valve. Hot water should come out. If hot water doesn't come out, or if it leaks after your test, the valve needs to be replaced. Sediment builds in your water tank, and you definitely want to get rid of that. Sediment builds up in your hot water heater, and you want to flush your tank and get rid of that sediment. So let's talk about how to flush your water heater. First, you're going to want to wear goggles and gloves to protect yourself. Then you're going to go to your electrical panel and turn the electricity off to the water heater. Then turn off the cold water inlet to prevent additional water from filling the tank. You'll get a water hose and connect the water hose to the water heater. Have the water hose expel to an area that can be exposed to hot water. Then you're going to lift the TMP valve and open the drain. Then allow all of the water to expel from the hot water heater. After it's complete, close the TMP valve, close the drain, disconnect the hose, open the cold water to the water heater, and turn on the electricity again. And there you have it. I hope you found this information helpful. If you would like additional information or would like me to discuss a specific topic, please email me at sophia@sophiapolk.com. If you would like to view another helpful tip, click here. If you would like to view a Sophia Polk Realty listing, click here. And to subscribe and stay updated, click on the circle below. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.